I'm here to show you what my work consists of. So, here we go. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to switch this camera. I don't know how. So, we have things, see? An agenda. That's me. And then lots of books. Always books. Always lots of books. Look at this one. Like, seriously? Like, yeah, hubba hubba. Yeah. And then, after we figure all that out, I have to go measure things, use a scale, and then, well, even before that, I gotta take the pictures. But let's venture out to here. Oh my god. Huge blast of hot air. Oh my Lord of mercy. Everything I have to sell in the next 6 months. It's a challenge. But I do have a lot of things under wrapped. You can see. Started organizing things. Hey. So, that's my job.